Hi, my name is Nancy and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a mom of two beautiful children, a boy and a girl, 9 and 4-year-olds. The idea behind this channel is to assist parents and guardians like myself to help our children or child through basic things in their lives, including academics. So on my first video of my channel, Help Your Child, today I'm going to show you how to make a quick DIY flashcard. This, I believe, will save you money and you can get your children involved, which will make them want to use these cards. I bet you do not want to make flashcards to sit on the shelves. Here are some examples of my flashcards. Now, all you need for this is you need a pen. I've just got this. You need a pen, a plain paper, whatever the color. You need laminating pouches. Also, you will need a laminating machine. Now, bear in mind that a packet of laminating pouches will last you a long time, and I think this is an investment worth over time. Just stay tuned to my channel and you will not regret it. So back to our DIY flashcards, we'll be doing the first set of letters in the phonics sounds, SATIPN. However, before we start, we're going to decide how big we want the flashcards to be, and we're going to make sure we have lines before we write our letters. This is to help your child know how it sits. Instead of turning the letters upside down, they know the letter sits on the line, and it teaches them how it should look when they see it and they can identify it properly. So now we're going to have our lines, all 6 lines, and then we write our letters A, S, T, I, N, and lastly P. Make sure the letters are clear, written clearly, so it will be easily identifiable by your child. Now we slip this into our laminating pouch. Now you can make flashcards of anything, from numbers, images, pretty much anything. Just imagine how much materials you can make available for your child, all in the comfort of your own home. Please remember to always involve your child or children, as they will see these as something they can pick up and play with. You can ask for their suggestions on the color of paper to use, the color of the pen, even the images to have available to them. So this is the end of my first video. I hope you enjoyed it and you found it useful too. Please share and subscribe as I have more interesting videos coming up. Thank you. Bye.